Well, that sun is bright.
It is bright.
Where are you going?
We filled the bird feeder. It's like every day now. Why are you filming this? This is my normal day.
Huh? Because we're doing a vlog. That's what you do. You vlog stuff.
Oh.
What?
The birds, not stupid, because I enjoy watching them, but they're going through.
Can you talk to the camera?
Oh, well, I'm busy. No, they go through a whole thing a day now. This. A
Oh,
whole
okay.
kind of day. And then you got other issues that you got now with the bird flu that you got to mask up now with them. Because you don't know what they're carrying. So I still want to feed them. And then you got to wear. Are you following me?
Wear gloves. I have to go outside?
Well, that's how you feed the birds. You're going to get cold.
I'm going to be freezing. How about I film you from the step?
All right. Well, it's going to be cold either way.
Oh, that thing is completely empty.
Yeah, I said every day it goes through. And you don't want to touch it. So even though you got rubber gloves,
What's that, a sandwich bag?
yeah. It's probably easier with a gallon bag, but
Well, you know what my mom always said? Even when we were little tiny kids, don't ever touch a dead bird. They're full of germs. Don't touch. She didn't even want us touching a feather on the ground because she said they were full of germs.
these birds aren't dead.
Well, I know, but it could. What could it be? It could be in their poop or something if they're sick.
Yeah. Well, it's just like, I guess with the avian flu, is birds crap and things eat it, you know, because it's usually heavy around spring and fall because of the migration. So all these geese and everything that may have it fly over and they crap everywhere and then things eat it. Like a turkey buzzard right there. It's probably going to crap on us. So, which worries me, these turkey buzzards eat all this dead crap, and then they dump their gizzards out here, and then John or Luna eat it.
Could that have been what John got so sick on?
It could have been. But what's the odds I'm going to get anything? Probably very slim to none.
No,
or
but
don't.
it's better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah, like a good scout, be
And
prepared.
actually, it said 1.7 as of yesterday, 1.7 million birds,
Yeah.
and something about it was found in the wastewater
Yeah.
in North Jersey.
It's just like they found, remember with COVID? I told you it's cold. It's like 8 degrees out, and you want to come out. You're not too bright.
I thought I'd vlog you. I saw you wearing your coat, and I thought, okay, well, he's got something he's doing.
Yeah, I had to cover all bases. I figure if I'm
So what's the purpose of the gloves and then the baggie on top of the gloves?
well, the gloves are because my hands are cold. The mask.
Oh, and you don't want to get any germs on the gloves.
Right. So this is the one I use. So I stick it back, my hand in a bag, and just twirl the top and pull it down with this thing. That is not contaminated because I just dump it in. So hence they don't want. Even though I buy these by the gross, these gloves, because they're good for working on cars and working in the yard. So
Well, that's smart though.
So yeah, it's all good. So yeah, that's my daily thing and my fragile hat. I like my fragile hat. So that's my day.
Okay, so we're out at behind Elmer Ballpark. That's Ballpark over there. This is where we walk. Not all the time, but it's nice today.
Yeah.
And yesterday
we found two, I think they're snow geese, but they're amazing how big they are, but they look like they just fell out of the sky. One was over there on the track, and then the other one's right there.
and I guess we shouldn't get too close.
Yeah, it looks like a snow goose.
Let's see if I can zoom this.
I covered my face when I got
So when we got back, Jeff called the DEP.
Yeah, there's a hotline in New Jersey that if you call the DEP, you can report if you find any birds or of anything like whether they look injured or whether they look sick or whether they're dead. So we called yesterday and reported it. They asked name and phone number and said that biologists will come out and check on it. Well, that one hadn't been checked on, but hopefully they picked up the one that was on the track because they look like they just fell out of the sky. And
I guess they're keeping track of the bird flu.
Yes.
Because it's pretty much statewide now.
Countrywide, basically.
Countrywide,
I mean, yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, that's all right. But yeah, it's all over the place, and the numbers of birds. I mean, it's infiltrated all the different birds, not just chickens or ducks and things like that. It's a lot of birds. So.
And that's why eggs are so expensive, and they're going to continue to be so.
Yeah.
Until this gets taken care of.
Because they're killing thousands upon thousands, and I think I've heard numbers of millions of birds, mainly chickens, broilers, those types, that are infected. So they're killing millions of them just to protect the rest of their flocks.
And some of the farmers are really hurting, the chicken farmers. Also, it's like, if you have backyard chickens, it's not good to free range them because the wild birds could infect them by their droppings and stuff.
Wild birds taking a crap in your yard, and free range birds will eat it. It's just like you got to watch your dogs now. Who the heck knows? It's
I just read that too, that you should be leashing your dogs.
This world's crazy, isn't it?
I don't know.
It goes from one thing to another.
What is going on? It's nuts.
You can't turn around and have a good month or two. I mean, without them coming up with something different. It's going to kill you.
Yeah.
So
now it's like, you got to wear a little umbrella over your head or a steel umbrella over your head, especially if it's a 20-pound geese.
Yeah, you go through COVID, then you go through bird flu. I mean, the norovirus. I mean, there's all kind of crazy crap out here.
Yeah.
You can't even just function without them finding something that's going to kill you. But either way, be protective of yourself.
Yep.
Pay the high price for eggs.
And be smart.
Yep, be smart, be safe. Just try to get through this life.
Let's go see if it's there.
All right.
It was right over here.
Yep, right there at the crossroad.
Yeah, and it's gone. Yep. So they did send somebody out then, and
well, I hope it was somebody from the DEP that did it, not just.
Well, they took your email and stuff. It would be interesting if they contacted
Mr. Ridgway, we'd like to follow up on your
and let
duck
you know.
sighting, or your bird sighting.
So what if on that bird that's left out there?
Mm-hmm.
What if? Oh my God! Speak of the devil. There's a damn turkey vulture.
They follow us everywhere.
What if the vultures start eating them? They were sick, and then they come back. These vultures come back to, lay.
The neighbors in our house,
Yeah, and just.
I know it's another thing, part of the big plan here. I guess it's just the cycle of life. Something goes through and starts killing the shit out of everything. So yeah, it could happen. I don't know. What if one falls out of the sky and just hits you in the head?
Yeah.
What do you say? It'd kill you if one of them.
Well, what if one of them could just shit on you? Look at it.
If they shit on you, but that's wasn't it back in the day? If a seagull crapped on you, it was supposed to be
You
good
know
luck?
what? He spots it.
Oh, I know.
That's why he's flying up there.
Right. Well, that's probably
There's going to be a bunch of them here soon.
That's probably strictly an Elmer turkey vulture. So.
Oh, it's not going to be a
yeah.
Willow Grove
I don't
Road.
think they're going to venture out the Willow Grove
back.
Road and shit on our patio, or So.
Yeah.
But either way, it's another thing you got to worry about. I don't know. I'm just tired of worrying about stuff.
I know.
God, you make it to retirement. You gotta worry. You never know.
Tuna, why are you crying?
Yeah, why you gotta be mean to him? You keep knocking him over.
He's not a young'un anymore.
And he was sitting like old times with his legs all up underneath him to spring up.
I'd be careful.
He's been doing pretty good with this stuff. Even in the ice and snow, he's doing pretty good. Oh, you're safe. You slid in
You
the
all
hole.
right? You go too fast,
Yes,
hon.
it's okay.
Oh, poor baby. There you go.
Get your balance, bud.
Don't pee on my gnome tree. I said don't pee on it, Dawn. It's falling apart.
Probably from all the acid from the pee. All right, so here's my idea how this is going to work. So I put this out earlier. Now it's a little loose right now, but when I first put it out, the wind was blowing pretty good, and his head was spinning around, and even this was turning.
Yeah.
Well, I'll figure it out.
As long as it keeps moving, I think that'd be good.
Right, and I don't think we have to worry about him so much spinning, but
So that's what you want to do? You want to put it on a PVC pipe?
yeah, I think that's the easiest. But the only problem is the ground. Even though we had plenty of rain yesterday, the ground still froze solid. So I'm going to try later to get the PVC to drive in the ground like we did here for your tomato plant, and see if I can put 2 of them up because I got another one piece in the garage that I can try it out. So, and I just wanted to mention, I got a letter the other day from a guy named Jimmy, and I just wanted, it was a very nice letter. He was inquiring, thanking me for the what we did for the Psycho series, talking about how he loves the family. He also wanted to congratulate me on my retirement. So Jimmy, I appreciate that. That was a very nice letter, and you know,
Yeah,
we
that's
like getting
nice.
stuff like that because you know, when people do care and they show they care, it, you know, means a lot to the family. So, John, don't get too close to the bird feeder.
Yeah, John, get away from that.
And the stinking bird flu. Also, now everything's got to be gloved. It's got to be a mask and everything because these birds are crapping everywhere, and it's getting to the animals. It's getting to us. It's just
And
frustrating.
the cats.
And the cats. What I think Jess said, 65 or 67% of cats.
Probably wild feral cats
Right.
who eat the birds and stuff.
Yeah, I know. Isn't it great? But no.
Jeffrey.
Well, I know, because what happens is those turkey vultures that are all over the place, they eat the crap out of everything dead. They probably pass it along. So that's probably the evil spin it is these turkey vultures are going to take over the world because they're going to shit all this bird flu all over the place, and it's going to go to humans and dogs, cats. Oh my God, it's crazy. So yeah, our icicles aren't working. And if you look, come here, please. You know how much that slide cost us? Not to go into detail about money and profit prices or whatever it is. Look at all the turkey crap that's all down the side, the shit.
Oh,
the turkey
goodness
shit.
gracious.
So they sit up there all the time. Not only there, but look on the top of the other handheld thing. They got crap everywhere. So now that's got to be disinfected in the springtime, you know, and the rain yesterday, we got like 3/4 of an inch of rain and we didn't even wash it up.
We still need like 9 more inches.
Yeah, well, doesn't everybody? But, yeah, but either way, so now it has to be all disinfected because of the stupid bird flu. I can't anymore.